Hello and welcome. Have you looked at financial charts and noticed that the graphs are not completely linear? That's because the charts are made up of vectors and we can use the sum of the vectors to find average trends in the data. Well, this is one situation that can be modeled with vectors, and in this lesson, you are going to answer the question, how are vectors added and subtracted? Let's get started. To address the lesson question, we will learn about adding and subtracting vectors in order to add vectors geometrically or algebraically, subtract vectors geometrically or algebraically, and calculate the result of performing two or more operations on vectors. Next, let's take a look at your vocabulary. Here are some important words you'll learn in this lesson. Take a few minutes to look up these words in your glossary and add them to your notes. Commutative, law of cosines, law of sines, resultant vector, and unit vector. Let's take a moment to review what a vector is and how to find a vector's magnitude and direction. We are given vector u with a horizontal component of A and a vertical component of B denoted like this. The magnitude of a vector, also called its length or norm, can be denoted like this. If a vector's initial point starts at the origin, it is referred to as being in standard form. To find the magnitude of a vector, use the Pythagorean theorem. In this example, the vector starts at point 5, 0 and ends at point 8, 4. We use its endpoints to find its component form. This vector has a horizontal component of 8 minus 5 and a vertical component of 4 minus 0, and its component form will be 3, 4. Using 3 for A and 4 for B, we get the magnitude of 5. The direction of a vector is given by its direction angle. The angle measured counterclockwise from the positive horizontal direction will be theta. To find the direction angle, use tangent function. The opposite side in this triangle is 4, and the adjacent side is 3. So tangent theta is 4 over 3. To find theta as the inverse tangent function of 4 over 3, and using the calculator, we find theta is approximately 53.13 degrees.